This is the SpaceX Crew 10 rescue mission from the International Space Station. The mission involves transferring astronauts from the Dragon Crew 10 to the ISS and bringing back Barry, Butch Wilmore, and William, who have been stranded for nearly 9 months. The reason these two NASA astronauts are stranded traces back to Boeing's Starliner. Let's also take a quick look at the thruster problems that has been delaying its return back to Earth. One issue involves the reaction control system, specifically helium leaks. But why is helium so important? Helium, an inert gas, is used to pressurize the propellants that feed the thrusters. If too much helium is lost, the thrusters may not function properly, which could be critical during the flight, particularly in the capsule's propulsion system. During the docking procedure, the Starliner encountered issues with its reaction control system thrusters. The spacecraft's software initially flagged 5 aft-facing thrusters as non-operational, affecting its ability to maneuver in all 6 degrees of freedom. Although 4 of the thrusters were eventually restored, the underlying cause of the malfunction remains unclear. We're here to take a closer look at how SpaceX launch process works, from astronaut transfer to their return to Earth, all the way to landing in the ocean.